Is it videoing, Mama?
Huh?
Is it videoing?
Yeah, you're videoing. Oh, did you turn it around?
Yeah, I put it on Sierra.
Oh.
I'm videoing Sierra.
Okay, I don't want you to plug up my phone with a bunch of video, okay? I said you could take pictures.
I'm only taking one video. This is my dog Sierra. She's only a puppy. She's taking me running by pulling the stroller. My mom is with me too. I'm videoing her because I don't know why. It just seems like fun. I like videos. And I'm 6 years old. She is 1.
Oh, that was a big hill.
She's in a giant hill. It's my mom. Sierra's not my mom. She's a girl. Sierra's a girl, just to let you know. And she has a red leash. I'm pretty sure it looks pink, but it's pretty dark out. Bright out.
There's a red leash and a pink collar.
Yeah, a red leash. Her color isn't pink.
Sure, it said pink, but if you want to call it purple, you can.
See, there's a chain at the end of it. That chain is pink, pinkish purple.
That's a running collar.
It's a running color. And then the red one is my old dog Bailey's. There's not very much cars out. See the road is clear. It's just us on it right now. Some people are on different roads. Anyways, it's cold out this time of year. It's sort of winter. It still has a little bit of snow. Yeah, we got a little in there.
Morning. Okay, cross. No, never mind the cat. Sierra, hold on. Or Sierra, hang on. Sierra, stop. Stop. Never mind. Sierra, come. This could be a while. Sierra, come. Hey. Come. Sierra, move. Sierra.
There's a cat.
Yeah. Sierra. Come on. Hey. Hang on, honey.
I'm keeping your phone safe as good as I can.
Sierra. Get over here. That's enough. Never mind. No.
I'm sorry, but it's just the cat.
Get out. No. No. No.
She's getting in big trouble.
No.
Trying to get the cat. Poor cat. It's just because why she's so obsessed with cats is because she got scratched in the eye by a cat when she was little. So she doesn't like the cats.
Well, if a cat made you blind in one eye, you wouldn't like them either.
Yeah. You would not like it.
Hey, never mind.
Bye. That was a good video.